Hey guys, it's Truman. Today we're going to be taking a dive into this new product that we have on our website live right now, link in the description below. It is a new tire deflator. These things are super cool. They automatically deflate your tires to whatever you set them to, all at the exact same time. And so it's super fast for you to air down before you hit the trail. So here's what comes in the package. It comes with this solid case so it stays protected. And it's super small so you can just toss it in your glove box or center console. Then it comes with a set of 4, one for each tire, so you can do them all at the exact same time. This is each unit. It screws onto each valve stem, and then we're going to go ahead and preset them, and so they're ready to go every single time you hit the trail. Okay, so the reason you would go for these rather than a traditional tire deflator is the fact that these will all be preset to your set tire pressure that you would like, and then you just screw them onto a valve stem as soon as you hit the trail, and then just set it and forget it. And then as soon as it's done, which is around like a little less than 10 minutes, they will all perfectly stop at the pressure you set. Take them off, replace the caps, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so you only have to do this once, but when you go to set these to the desired air pressure, which we're going to be doing 19 PSI today, you're going to need to get one of these and just air down your tire to 19 PSI or whatever you want to set it to, and then we'll show you how to perfectly set this one. Okay, so when setting these up, you're just going to want to grab a tire deflator like this one. We have this one up on our website as well. This is going to make it super easy. So we're at the first tire. We're going to go ahead and deflate it to our desired PSI, and then we can program the other tire deflators. And so we're going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so we have it set to 19 right there. And so we're ready to tune in our first one. Again, you only have to do this once, and then they're all set. They have locking nuts on them. And so when you grab your first one, you're going to loosen this locking nut all the way down, and so it's backed out all the way. Okay, with this locking screw all the way seated down, we're going to go ahead and take this whole upper piece right here and screw this all the way down as well. This is going to lock it so no air will be coming out, and so when we put it on, there will be no air, and we're going to slowly back it down until just a little bit of air comes out, correct it so it stops, and then we'll be able to set it. So we'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so I hear a little bit of air coming out right here, so I'm going to twist it until the air just stops, and then that's our spot right there. And so when we found that spot, without twisting the main one, we're going to twist this locking nut all the way back. Until it seats against this. Now it's locked. And so now we can take it off. And this is now set. Okay, so now that we have this one set, we've come back to the rear tire to set this one next. We're going to take the one that's set and screw it on, and it is going to perfectly set it to 19 PSI that we have calculated it to. And then this is going to deflate to 19 PSI. Once that's set, we're just going to go ahead and set this one like we did the front one. Okay, so this one just automatically stopped. It just got done finished. And so we're going to go ahead and check the tire itself. And it looks like it's just right next to 19 PSI. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing with this new one to set the next one. Just going to go ahead and screw that on. Once that's bolted on, we're going to back off the main plunger until we start to hear a little bit of air seep. And then we're going to twist it clockwise until that air just stops. Okay, and that has just set for me, so I'm going to back up the locking nut, and then once that's twisted all the way against the main plunger, this one is also set. So with these two set, you can go ahead and set the rest of them, so all 4 of them are set, and they are all locked down and ready to go when you go hit the trails. Okay, all 4 of these are now set, and you don't have to do anything else. As long as those locking washers are tightened against it, whenever you go to deflate your tires, you just screw them on and they'll start releasing air. You just let all 4 sit all at the same time, and when they all stop, you just unscrew them and you're ready to go. Okay, so if you want a set of deflators for yourself, you just go and hit the link in the description below and pick up a set on the website. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, you just go hit subscribe and the bell notification, and we'll just tell you every time we post a video. Thanks again so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.